Hi friends, it's Jakara here again with another video, and today I am doing an unboxing of a goodie that I got last week finally. Actually, it came in the mail yesterday, and so I've been dying to open it up, but I purchased it last week. So I'm going to share with you what I got. I'm pretty psyched about this. This is something that's been on my wish list for a long time. I think I first saw this item maybe about 2 years ago, and ever since then I can't stop thinking about it. So it came in this box from UPS, and yeah, let's open it up. Let's see what's in there. Oh my gosh, obviously this is a bag reveal since you've read the title of this video. But can you guess which one it is? Can you guess which one it is? Let's see if I can get it open. And I purchased this from Fashion File. This is actually my fourth purchase from Fashion File. If you don't know about Fashion File is a online company that sells luxury items, and here it is, Fashion File, that sells luxury items, and they, oh, I got lots of confetti coming out. So you can pick up lots of things. I've gotten belts from there. In fact, I've gotten 2 belts from there. And this is actually my first bag purchase from them, I believe. Yeah, my first bag purchase from them. So this is really exciting for me. Oh, very exciting. Okay, so it comes with a thank you card and more confetti, and this is like the information, like if you want to sell the bag back, because they will repurchase your bag back from you. These are used items, most of them, but most of the time they're in really, really good condition. I've never had an item that wasn't in really good condition. So this particular item's original price on the website was $13.10. And I got it for $11.80. So I got it on sale, and I participated in their layaway program, which is you put a payment down and that holds the item for 60 days. Yeah, 60 days. And so you get like basically 2 months, you know, to pay it off. So that's what I did. Kind of took my sweet time about this, because I mean, not exactly a cheap item, you know. They have all kinds of luxury items on there. So here's the item. Let's put this box down. All right, so they usually come in a, you know, their own dust bag. The items that they sell, if they have the original dust bag, they will send that too. But let's see what's in here. So excited. I wanted to open this yesterday, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna film today, so let's open it up today. Oh, look at her. Oh. Here she is. This is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in rose ballerinas in epi leather with silver hardware. And then these tags are the tags that you remove. Once you remove it, it says remove the tag on the bag. So they send that with all of their stuff. So yeah, this is, so, and it even has like a little clochette with an M on it, which I thought, you know, my very last name is an M. It starts with an M, so I was like, that'll work. And I saw this on the website, and there's like, as far as I can tell, there's no damage or any kind of, I don't know, I can't see any problems with it at all. I've been dying for a pink bag with silver hardware. As you guys know, pink is my favorite color, and this color pink I think is very versatile. I wanted something that I could wear all year round, and I think this is perfect for me. I mean, goes with my wardrobe very well. I will get lots of use out of this. And let's see, I think it has, yep, it has a crossbody strap in it. So basically this is it, and then the crossbody you can strap. It's like a clawfoot strap, and you just strap here. See if I can get it on there. Whoop. Try that again. There we go. So I got it on there, and then you can wear a crossbody. I most likely will wear it as a top handle bag because that is the way I like to wear my bags. And yeah, she's a beauty. Let's see, it's an Alma. Oh, here's the original dust bag. It comes with the original dust bag, Louis Vuitton. So that's great. And then on the inside, as you can see, it's like a suede, micro suede interior with one interior pocket. So yes, and I feel like I could put all of my essentials in here. This is the perfect size for me. I do not like really big bags, so perfect, perfect, perfect. I've wanted an Alma since I was in high school, and I was gonna get the Alma monogram, but when I saw the Alma in this rose ballerine color, I couldn't help myself. I was like, I gotta have it, I gotta have it. So I finally have it. I'm so excited. I really trust Fashionphile as far as the quality of their products, the service that they provide. It's really a good website, you guys, to check out some of your favorites that, you know, maybe you've been wishing for, wanting, hoping, all of that. And picking things up for sale, like this was on sale. I think the original, I looked at the original price of this yesterday on Louis Vuitton, and it's like $1,800 and something, $1,860, $1,820, something like that. And I was like, okay. I got a deal. So I was like, I'm so excited. I am going to use this bag today. Definitely going to be using this bag today. That's why I wore the pink top, and it goes perfectly with my top. So, and I'll probably, you know, accessorize it. Maybe put, I mean, it has a clochette on it, so I don't really need to put charms or anything like that, but maybe a little scarf, you know, cute little Louis bandeau scarf on top. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Just a few facts about this. The Fashionphile, they will send a certificate of authenticity too. So that is what this is. In addition to, like I said, the original dust bag, if they have it. And like I said, this baby is near perfect. I can't see anything, any blemish, nothing on it. And I got a great deal on it. So I'm really, really, really excited. I mean, look at her. She's so pretty. I got some cat hair on her though. Can't help it. Cat hair is everywhere around here. Anyway, you guys, that is it for this unboxing. This is my first unboxing on camera for a bag. Oh yeah, it comes with a little lock here too. I didn't see that. I'm just so excited about it. I haven't noticed all the things about it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please come back if you enjoy videos like this. I hope to see you back here again. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to leave a comment, positive comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Take care.